Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix on content can't be autofilled Facebook problem. There are different approaches to solve this problem on your device. Now let's get started with the first approach by opening the settings on your device. Now look for apps on the settings of your device. Click on the apps settings and here click on manage apps, and this will redirect you to the list of apps available to your device. Now you'll need to look for Facebook, and once you found Facebook in this list of apps, click on it. Now in here click on app permissions. Make sure that you've allowed all the necessary permissions on Facebook, because maybe this is causing the problem on your app. Now if this doesn't work for you, you can go ahead and move on to the next approach, which is clicking on the force stop button on the bottom left corner of your screen. Enabling force stop for the app will allow you to forcibly stop the operation of the app. If this approach still doesn't work for you, then go ahead and try out the next approach by clicking clear data, and here just click on clear cache to clear all the cache on Facebook, since maybe this causes the problem to the app on your device. If this doesn't work as well, then try out the last approach by opening the Play Store on your device and searching for Facebook on the Play Store, since maybe the app has an update that you haven't done yet on your device. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.